Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? I welcome you all to my channel Sanj. Today we are going to talk about our dreams, our desires, and why do we act on them or we don't act on them. Okay, so this thought has been lingering in my mind for a long time, that if I know that I want to do something and I really am very much hell bent on continuing or being my own person or having my own dreams come true, then why will I never act on it? Why does it happen that we never take ourselves seriously, that we never take a goal seriously? Right? Because it is a common sense that if a company wants to achieve a goal, they need to work, they need to plan, and they need to give their work to the specific employees, because not everyone can do it by themselves, right? So why don't we end up planning our dreams also? Like, if this is very commonly heard, that if someone else gives us the work and they're giving the money, we are willing to do it because there is instant gratification in that. Because I know if I'm going to be working with this company for this much time, every month they will pay me this particular amount without any doubt. Okay, but if I have to work the same amount or even half the amount for my own company or for myself, there is always a risk involved, always a fear involved. So I don't put in the complete effort. Okay, because fear does not let us do that, or we do not trust ourselves enough to take that action, right? We only work towards the thing that we truly believe in. Okay, so if for some reason that you are not working for your goals, you are not working for your desires, and you are not working for making up your own business, the sole reason is that you don't believe in that dream. If someone believes in a dream, like I believe in the dream of being the successful YouTuber, I believe in the dream that my words and my learnings that I have gone through and the spiritual awakenings that I have been through, I know that those were not waste, and I want to help others going through the same thing. Okay, because let me tell you, I have been the most inconsistent and the master procrastinator for the past 6 years, and suddenly since the past 6 months I am seeing a drastic change in myself, and that all actually came with self-realization, questioning myself for my actions, taking responsibility, and letting myself know that why, asking myself why do I want to be this. Okay, so this is solely for that reason, that this is something that is there in my list, and it has been forever. Like, when I started this channel, it was almost 4 years back, and I was doing different things, posting about exams, posting about this and anything that I think that goes viral, okay, or that is useful to people. But that was not something that I wanted to do by my heart. That was not something that I believed in or that I connected with. So I posted 3-4 videos, and then I disconnected from that, because I was more focusing on the views then, and that my why and my target was getting more views and getting money. But now that is not the target. Now the target is me me knowing myself more, and forming a community or a group of people who are going through the same thing and helping each other. Okay, so that is like, I have a stronger why now than I had 4 years back when I started this YouTube channel, and it has gone through various names, various things like fast update, or this UPSC exams or something, and I still have those videos in my list, and I'm not going to delete them, because they are a reminder of when you do something just for the sake of everyone is doing, and you think that it might get you somewhere. And these past few videos that I'm doing is because I believe in this cause, I believe in these words. I am saying exactly and truly what I have learned, what I have gone through, and through my experience. Okay, so because it really sucks to know that I think, and I know it in my heart, and we all know in our heart, that there is something that I'm going to ace at. There is something that I'm going to be the most amazing person in that particular field, but we don't take the chance. We don't take the chance, and I took the chance. I left a job that was not serving my purpose. I left a job that was not keeping me happy. I left a job that was not respecting me, because I know if I accept this right now, I'm going to accept it in the rest of my life. What if my husband does not respect me? What if family does not respect me? And what if I don't respect myself? Right? So, like, I had my reasons to do all of that, and I also had a little safety or backup, but that was very little. Coming from the background where I am the sole earning member or the maximum earning member of my family, it was a very difficult decision to make. But I had to make those decisions because there was something within me that was continuously saying that you are made for bigger things. You are made for bigger things. You're going to handle the next few months by yourself and you're going to make it happen. But there was a certain level of transformation that I went through every few weeks in the past few months. So you need to believe in your cause. You need to believe in what you're doing. Okay, like you cannot copy someone for lifetime and think that, oh, I'm going to be at the top. Okay, even if you want to copy someone's content, you need to hire someone who believes in that content so that they can reciprocate the same content, or they can, you know, put it in their own words. Okay, but you can't do it yourself for your whole life. You can only do something that you are from within. Okay, and that also changes with time. But even though if that changes, your sole purpose and your actual being does not change. Like tomorrow, if I don't want to do these talks on YouTube, but I know that I still want to keep running YouTube, doing the things that I am doing and showing to people what I'm doing. Like currently I'm doing crocheting. Someday I might start posting videos of that. Okay, so the channel is going to remain the same, everything is going to remain the same, I'm going to remain the same, but my videos and everything is going to change depending on what I am going through, what I believe in. Okay, so today I believe in making these videos, today I believe in helping people, so I'm doing this.